How to turn off voicemail on iPhone. Tap on this there button. Tap on this button. Now enter this code hash 002 hash, then tap on call button. So you have to wait for this page to load up. Now it comes up like this. You have access to this important information. Error performing request. You can see that setting error performing request on call forwarding, you can see that this is not active. So if your one is active or enabled, try as much as you can, guys, to see that. Now you can see that here these actions has cancelled all the call forwarding. The second step is to go to the settings button, tap on it, then from here scroll down to the base of this page, tap on apps. Now here locate and tap on the phone app, or you can use the search bar here, type in phone. To access the phone app, tap on the phone app. So once you are the phone app, scroll up again until you see call forwarding button here, tap on it. So if this button is green here, guys, make sure you toggle it off so that it remain gray color. If it is green color, toggle it off to remain gray color. And that's all, guys. You've been able to turn off call forwarding on your iPhone. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.